What's up, everybody? It's your boy Joey.
And your boy Kareem,
Welcome to another exciting episode of Brew Bros.
where today we're going to have some sake.
That remind me of the weather from the 90s. Black and gold sake today. We had this once before.
Yeah, what drink was it? Was it during the One Piece?
It was during One Piece, but I think we were trying to make a Zoro drink,
Okay.
and we
Yeah.
ended up just drinking it.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we
We
enjoyed the
really,
taste.
really enjoyed it.
But we're going to crack this open right now, get a little bit of a taste test.
Refresh.
Yeah, because I remember that was a while ago.
Yeah.
I don't remember what this one tastes like. Let's see.
So while we wait for that, is there any word on when season 2 of the live action One Piece?
All I saw recently that it's coming out sometime this year.
Okay.
Production just finished shooting, if I'm not mistaken.
Mm-hmm.
And I guess at some point it's going to come out this year. But some major producer is leaving the series,
Really?
the live action series. I don't remember his name, but I did happen to see that today. He said he's been working on the show for like 6 years. So I guess everything building up until they actually start filming.
Yeah. I hope that doesn't affect the quality of the show because we really enjoyed it.
Oh, let's see. So this is going to be black and gold sake.
Kampai.
Ooh, has a nice strong smell to it.
Yeah.
But not overpowering. Smells light.
A little floral.
I get the rice wine smell of it.
Yeah.
Ready to taste it?
Yep.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Light in flavor.
Light in flavor. Has a sweetness.
Yes. You think it's one of these drinks that can easily take on other flavors easily?
I hope so. Well, did we mix it last time?
We did. We mixed it with something. I don't remember what it was, but we did mix it with something. Like we're gonna mix it today. I think today we're gonna make a sake yuzu highball.
Highball, classic Japanese drink. It's almost like a gin and tonic for Japan, basically from the recipes I looked up online.
Are they that popular highballs over there?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, you can find them in the cans and the vending machines, and even in
They have pre-made
the
vending machines.
the konbinis.
For you laymen, it's convenience store. It's the 7-Eleven. So let's get started with the cocktail. Kareem,
Yes, sir.
finger flavored ice, please.
All right.
Let me get a couple of those in here too.
1, 2. There you go. Pass back.
Okay, being that we're making this for 2 people, I'm gonna double up on the ingredients. So first, we're gonna do 4 ounces of the sake, and this is about 1.5 ounces right here. So we'll do 1 full one, 2, and then just 1 ounce to top it off for 4. And we didn't actually make the tea, but we got yuzu tea honey concentrate, citron tea. We're gonna try this out.
That's going to give us our sweetness as well as the yuzu flavor.
We'll try that out first this way.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah.
Not too bad. Not too crazy sweet.
No.
So thinking maybe half an ounce of this.
Mm-hmm.
Although we probably should have made this into an actual tea. Because I don't know if this is actually going to work. I don't know if this is actually going to work. Measuring it in a jigger.
Thick. 2 C's.
And we have a yuzu extract, which is going to be very concentrated. So this is only going to be used like quarter of an ounce. And I got to take this top off. Now that my jigger is all
Gummed up.
gummed up, that's a good word.
By the way, we got new drinkware, Ninja Turtles.
You know what that looks like? It looks like the old school Ninja Turtle comics.
Yes.
Was it DWS or DSW publications?
I don't remember the exact publications. Well, we could look it up. That's what YouTube is for. Or Google.
See, this one looks like the old Turtles, if you could see that there. And this looks like a little bit more of the modern twist of it. We're gonna double strain it because the citron tea had the actual peels of orange and yuzu in there, I believe. But we don't want any of that stuff in there because it'll make the drink a little sour, a little bitter, I want to say. And now, to finish off the highball, it's supposed to top it off with ginger ale, but we prefer a little more heavier kick. So we're going to do ginger beer.
And from the looks of it, it looks like it was put on Image Comics. Do you remember?
Was it Image? I could have sworn it was a different
or Mirage?
Different company. DWS, DSW. If anybody knows who originally published the Turtles, can you please leave a comment
down below?
And then top it off with roughly 3 or 4 ounces of ginger beer or ginger ale.
And or you could do tonic if you don't want to, if you're not big fans of ginger.
No, it's seltzer.
Oh, seltzer.
Tonic's give it a completely different flavor. But traditional highballs have a seltzer in it. But you're gonna mix in. I could use a spoon, but why? Cheers.
Cheers.
Really light in flavor.
Refreshing.
I get more of the ginger beer taste
forward,
and not as much as the citron, unless it's just sitting on top. So, let's see.
Let's see.
Let's try it now. It's still really light.
Yeah.
It's almost like it tastes like a lemonade, but without a heavy lemon flavor.
Yeah. Looks like a nice summer drink.
So you know what? Why don't we finish this one, and then we'll do a variation, see if it changes the flavor a little more.
Okay.
Or see if it gives it like a different kind of pop.
We'll come back.
Moments later.
Definitely refreshing.
What, we killed this in like 2 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's like the way it is right here is going to be a good summer drink when light on the flavors.
Yeah.
So let's see if we can kick it up a notch.
All right. So how are we going to kick it up a notch? I know we just discussed it, but...
All right. So we're going to kick it up.
Where's the kicking up?
Is what we're going to do. So we're going to do maybe 2 full ounces. Yeah, still 4 ounces of the sake each. Between the both of us.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll do 1.5, 3, 4 ounces of the sake. To kick it up a little extra, we're gonna get a little bit more of a flavor. We're actually gonna do a full ounce of the tea. I'm still using my jigger. I'm gonna gunk it all up.
Get it all gunked up.
Which probably isn't the smartest thing.
Slides out easy.
But see, it leaves a nice cream filling,
Yeah.
which kind of gross. Okay. The yuzu extract, this time we're going to do a full half an ounce, instead of just quarter of an ounce.
We want to get that yuzu punch.
Now, to get a little bit more of a ginger kick, we're going to add a ginger liqueur. And what do we say? A full ounce of this?
Yeah, let's go with full
Let's go
ounce.
big.
Yeah, go big or go home.
Okay. You remember smelling this? It smells like a sweet candy.
Almost like those ginger candies.
The ginger snaps?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it smells like. You're right. All right, let's get some more ice in there.
Mm-hmm.
And since we do have some more of the little chunks in there, we're going to double strain it. It already has a different color.
Definitely.
It looks a little more yellowish or orange, like a light orange. That's a yellow.
Huh.
Top it off with the ginger beer. Give it a quick stir. And let's try this one.
Cheers. Huh. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. A little bit more of a punch. A little bit more of that citron tea flavor. The yuzu comes through. Do you taste the ginger liqueur?
No.
No, it's mixed in kind of well.
Kind of well.
Yeah.
This is like a lemonade.
Yeah. It tastes exactly like a lemonade. You're right. All right. On the Brew Broz scales of 1 through 5, what are we rating black and gold sake?
1 through 5. Huh.
1 was puke.
Oh yes.
5 was, oh my god, this is the best thing in the world.
Okay. 5 being the best in the world. Oh my god. I really enjoy this.
Mm-hmm. Now, are you a sake person? Because I'm definitely a sake person. Don't know how or why.
Yeah.
But I like it almost as much as I like bourbon.
Okay. Yeah. I do enjoy sake. I guess I grew up, which is kind of weird because my dad, he used to drink. Well, I think he still drinks sake, but
Really?
yeah.
I don't know that.
So when he used to have the hot sake sets, and growing up when he used to make sake, every once I'll get curious like, oh, what's that? Oh, here, give me a little bit of the taste.
Okay.
So I already had the taste for sake, and I enjoyed it. So I do have a kind of a love for sake.
I don't know where I got mine. One day I kind of just wanted to try it, and then ever since then, I've just been drinking it.
You don't get the hangover or the heavy feeling when you drink it. You could down a whole bottle by yourself and
Mm-hmm.
go to work tomorrow like nothing.
Mm-hmm.
So, on a scale to 1 to 5, I wouldn't say this is the best thing I've had.
This particular one.
Yes,
Okay. Okay.
but it's still good. It's solid. I'm like torn between 3.5 and a 4 because I don't want to really give it a full 4. I want to leave room for improvement.
Okay. You like the half point scales. Like I'll just go for a solid 3. Right in the middle. It doesn't suck.
Yeah,
Good price point. It's not the
yeah,
best thing in the world. It's affordable. It's definitely one that I would mix instead of like a premium sake where you could just have
yeah.
straight.
Hmm.
So I give it a 3.
Okay. All right.
It's not like the alcohol from the last episode we did.
Oh, it's much better buy.
Take a look at that episode to see what we're talking about. It wasn't a Bad Bull tequila.
As a Yeah, it's Bad Bull. That gives a bad name to tequila.
No shout out. It's not a shout out in any way, shape, or form. But stay tuned. We're gonna have another episode where we're actually gonna be reviewing oh crap, Solo Leveling episode 2 with this cocktail.
On that note,
Peace out, everybody.
stay fly.